What's going on, family? Black Feniks checking in with you, man. Right now I'm at the headquarters, and I was just thinking about something that happened between me and a friend of mine who, we don't talk anymore, so I would say an ex-friend. But this scenario of what happened in real life is something that maybe somebody can learn something from this situation. So, my cat got into it with his girl and everything was going, in left field. But his girl was the type of grinder where, she was getting money too, and if she liked something, she gonna get it. And that was if a dude or whatever, she gon' what's up? She didn't care. This broad was bold. You hear me? So a couple of the homies then snuck up behind him and blast him. Now this my guy wife, you know what I'm saying? But this my guy. You see what I'm saying? I'm like, nah, you know what I mean? I done went over there and made different little transactions, talked to her for a second, on some business levels, you know what I'm saying, for him. Never got at her, but she got at me a few times. I'm like, nah, man, that's my guy. Nah, I'm cool. I just laugh it off, never even said nothing to him. Because I know when you dealing with certain people, when they're in a relationship, and you go to them telling them something so-and-so said, doing this and doing that, and they in love, they ain't gonna listen to you. It ain't gonna do nothing but cause some friction between y'all relationship, because he gonna say so-and-so told me, or she gonna say so-and-so told me, and then now every time you see this person, y'all tripping because of what, was said in the heat of the moment. But let me tell you what she did. So he ended up burning me. You know what I mean? He ended up burning me. You know what I mean? Hurt me too. I ain't gonna lie to you, man. I couldn't believe that he did me like that. You know what I mean? But he ended up burning me. I stepped back from the place, started messing with him, moved on, got to doing my own thing. Anyways, she she hit him up, when they going through their little deal, and was like, yeah, so-and-so you chasing behind, he ain't nothing. You know what I mean? He done slept with me. So-and-so done slept with me. So-and-so slept with me in the house. You know what I'm saying? He blast me in the bed. You know what I'm saying? Woo woo. So he got the face. You know what I mean? They about to fight or whatever. Like literally, they did fight. So they getting into it or whatever. And you know what she told him? Because he called me with tears in his eyes. You know what he told me? You know what she told him? She said, the only real cat that you had, you burnt him. That was Joe. Joe Feniks, the only real cat you had. He never tried to get at me. You know what I'm saying? Because he loved your dumb ass. That's exactly what she told him. And he called me and told me with tears in his eyes, damn, man. Yeah, man. Let me fix this situation. You know what I mean? Because this was real, and I always knew you was real. I was just in the bind, and I get it. You know what I mean? So we talk, but we don't kick it no more. But it is what it is. It's water on the bridge. But I think someone needs to know that, because if you play the game sour, believe me, it's gonna come back to you, and it never comes back the way that you play it. Hold on.